Multi-region agent deployment. In this video, you'll learn how to deploy AI agents using Boomi Agent Studio's multi-region deployment. With multi-region deployment, you can run your agents in the US, UK, Japan, or Australia, closer to your users and your data. That means faster response times and built-in support for regional data compliance requirements. How it works. Let's dive into the key concepts for regional deployment. First, a runtime cloud. Boomi provides 4 regional runtime clouds, one in the US, UK, Japan, and Australia. This is the infrastructure that actually runs your agent. You don't configure it, Boomi manages it for you. Second, an environment. Think of this as the destination for your agent. Each environment is linked to one runtime cloud, which is how you control what region your agent runs in. Environments are classified as either production or test. Third, a package. When your agent is ready to go live, you create a package, a saved version snapshot of your agent at that moment in time. You deploy that package to an environment. That's it. Link an environment to a runtime cloud, then deploy a package to that environment. Setting up your environments. Agent Garden comes with 2 default environments already set up for you, one for production and one for testing. If you want to deploy to a different region or you have existing environments from Boomi integration, you'll need to attach a runtime cloud manually. Here's how. In Agent Garden, navigate to Environments. Select Configure Runtime on the environment you want to set up. Choose the environment name. Select an available runtime Agent Garden cloud. US, UK, Japan, or Australia. Select Save. That environment is now active and ready to receive agent deployments. A few things to keep in mind. Each runtime cloud can only be linked to one environment at a time, and you can't create environments inside Agent Garden. They come from Boomi integration. Packaging and deploying your agent. Now let's deploy an agent. Once you've finished building and testing your agent, head to the Review tab inside Agent Designer. Select Create. Choose Package and Deploy. Select the environment where you want your agent to run. This is what determines the region. Select Create Package and Deploy. Your agent is now live in that region. A package version number is assigned automatically. Your agent is always in a draft state while you're editing it. Changes only go live when you create and deploy a new package, so you can freely update your agent without affecting anything that's already running in production. Deploying to multiple regions. You can deploy the same agent package to multiple environments at the same time. So if you want your agent running in both the US and the UK, just deploy the same package to both environments. You can also run different package versions across regions simultaneously. For example, version 1.0 in the US, while version 2.0 is rolling out in the UK. Each environment runs one version at a time, and deploying a new version simply replaces the previous one. To deploy a package to an additional environment, go to Packages and Deployments. Select the package version, choose Deploy, and select the environment. Managing your deployments. You have a couple of options for managing your active deployments. If you need to pause an agent without removing it, you can disable the deployment. The agent stops accepting requests, but it stays in place. You can re-enable it anytime. If you need to remove an agent from a region entirely, you can delete the deployment. This doesn't delete the agent or its package, so if you need to redeploy it later, you can. And if something goes wrong after a new release, rolling back is straightforward. Just go to Packages and Deployments, select the previous package version, and deploy it to the same environment. You've learned how to set up regional environments and deploy your agents globally with Boomi Agent Studio. For full details on environments, runtime clouds, packaging, and managing deployments, check out the documentation.